selling 4 versions. The most advanced version, $194,000 Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo electric car, a design inspired by the Mission E-Cross Turismo concept introduced in 2018. This is an off-road version of the Taycan sedan EV, first launched in September 2019. Compared to competitors in the electric car segment such as Tesla Model S and Audi e-tron GT, Audi Q4e-tron, Taycan Cross Turismo has an advantage thanks to its wagon design, which is more dynamic in many different road conditions. The base Taycan 4 Cross Turismo is priced at $110,000. Taycan Cross Turismo also has a 4's version for $122,000, a Turbo for $162,000 and a Turbo S for $194,000. All are equipped with 2 electric motors, all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, 93.4 kWh high-performance battery, panoramic sunroof. Interior design similar to Taycan sedan. The new Taycan Turbo version has a capacity of 616 horsepower over BS 670 horsepower. Acceleration takes 3.3 seconds to reach 100 km/h from the starting position, a range of 450 km. The most advanced version of Turbo S has a capacity of 616 horsepower over BS to 750 horsepower, acceleration to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds and a range of 418 km. The new Taycan Turbo version has a capacity of 616 horsepower over BS 670 horsepower, acceleration takes 3.3 seconds to reach 100 km/h from the starting position, a range of 450 km. The most advanced version of Turbo S has a capacity of 616 horsepower over BS to 750 horsepower, 9 seconds and a range of 418 km. Porsche says. The Cross Turismo version has a longer hood, which increases headroom for front seat passengers, while the rear adds 47 mm. The luggage compartment capacity increases to 1,212 liters when the rear seats are folded and the front trunk has a capacity of 82 liters. The Turismo version is 20 mm taller than the standard Taycan and can raise the ground clearance by 10 mm when switched to gravel driving mode. Customers add the option of an off-road design bodykit package that includes wheel arches, front/rear bumpers, side skirts, and many other dark details. As planned, Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo goes on sale from the middle of this year.